Morning. I have a receipt here. I need the receipt. What's it by your right?
Fine, we're boarding now.
Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board this Emirates flight shall be departing for Lagos. For safety reasons, we ask that you place all your carry-on baggage in the overhead lockers, placing heavy items under the seat in front of you. When placing an item in the overhead lockers, please be cautious. It is advisable to place your luggage near to your assigned seat. Please also ensure that your carry-on baggage does not obstruct any aisle exit areas. If you are having any difficulty stowing any of these items, please advise one of the cabin crew so that it may be tagged and placed in the cargo hold. Thank you.
card? Your card. So you are making it online?
Yes, it's live.
Live?
Yes.
Come on.
You are making it live?
Yes.
Such. I hold this for you, you pay me.
Thank you.
Okay, our president. You can have a president for your photo. Let me go and snap with him. Mr. Jimmy. Sowore. Okay, you're on this seat?
Yeah, I'm on this seat.
That's nice.
Well done.
I would like to snap with you.
Okay, good.
Sorry.
No problem.
Did it go well?
Or I can move if you want.
Okay.
You can just move.
No, don't worry, just snap.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry.
No problem. We're heading to Lagos this morning, and everything was as planned. So it's on Howard.
One of your friends.
Thank you.
More grace to you.
Thank you so much.
See you every time.
Thank you. I see. So, so if everything works fine tonight, we'll be heading to the United Kingdom for fundraisers happening over there as well. How are you?
My name is Flo. She's in the emergency seat.
Okay.
So do you mind taking the seat?
You want me to come?
Ladies and gentlemen, halfway, please continue to our crew. We'd like to shimmer runway 737. Throw the aircraft shortly for Lagos. For departure, please ensure your seat backs are in the upright position. Numbers down, tables to the waist, and those securely fastened. Passengers to the extras are kindly requested to read the card containing the emergency exit placed in the pocket adjacent to the exit. If you do not perform the exit function, please contact the crew will be happy to receive you. We'd like to remind you that these flights are not smoking. Smoking is not permitted at any while on board. For safety reasons, each lavatory is equipped with a safe smoke detector. It's a criminal offense to ignore smoking regulations or permit or destroy unarmed smoke detector. We'd also like to advise you that mobile phones and personal insurance devices continue to use on the time of the street turned up until the doors have been opened after arrival in Lagos. Please ensure some flights mobile phones are given the flight or place in modes and are permitted for use on board the aircraft at any time. We'd also like to remind all passengers that the Nigerian Civil Aviation regulations require that all mobile phones switched off, that all passengers must comply with the issue by the captain and bridge crew. Okay, today we have Choma, Jennifer, Eddie, and Ngozi. Is there anything we can do within our professional capacity to fight for enjoyment? Please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and welcome on board.
Alright, yes, switch off and take off.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please have your attention for the next few minutes as we run through some important safety procedures on board this Boeing 737-300 series aircraft. We ask that you watch and listen carefully. Your seatbelt is fastened and adjusted like this and unfastened like this. Whenever the seatbelt signs are turned on or you're requested to do so by the crew, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. We also recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened throughout the flight. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 6 emergency exits. There are 2 exits at the rear of the aircraft, 2 overwing exits, and 2 exits at the front of the aircraft, and they're all clearly marked. The cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please do remember that your nearest exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use an escape slide, leave all hand luggage behind and remove high-heel shoes as they may tear the slide. This aircraft is also equipped with a low-level lighting system. Following the lights along the aisle can help you locate your nearest exits if the visibility is reduced in the cabin. The cabin pressure is controlled for your comfort. Should there be a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask like this will drop from the panel above your seat. Pull sharply on the mask. This action starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. After you have secured your own mask, please attend to children and others seated next to you who may require assistance. You must fit your own mask before helping others. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Do not remove the mask until advised by a member of the crew. Your life jacket is located under or beside your seat. In the event of a landing in water, remove it from its container and swing it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the red tab. If your life jacket fails to inflate or requires topping up, blow into the tube at the top of the jacket. There is a light and a whistle here for attracting attention. The life jacket must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. For further information on the safety features of this aircraft, there is a safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. It contains detailed information on exit operation as well as the bracing position you must adopt in the event of an emergency landing. We ask that you take a few moments to review it prior to takeoff. The cabin crew will now be completing the final check of the cabin. We thank you for your attention and we wish you a pleasant flight with us.